Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Shopify. Today we are going to learn send password reset email through the Shopify REST storefront API. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So let's have a look of my customer email. So if I go and just check, so this is temp@gmail.com, but I want to edit this customer info at the contact information. So currently the email is no, I don't have, so I will add the test90 mailinator.com. Okay, and let's save this. So it's gonna be test90 mailinator. So this will receive the emails, right? So here we go with this one. So let's copy this mutation, go to our postman, let's copy and paste this, and let's access token should be the same, and here we require the email only. So let's just paste this email. Okay, so here we have the email. So the test90 millinator would be the email part, right? So let's add this and have a look of that one. Let's see. And the customer recover, customer user is blank. Let's go and just check the mailinator section. Mailinator, and here we have the address, and here you can see that the technical Rajni customer account password reset is coming. Okay, so you can reset your password and visit the store. Okay, so this is how this is working, and you can reset the password, right? So reset your password, it will come like this one, and here you can just add the passwords over here. I will add my password, the same one that the previous. Okay, let's reset this password. Okay, now you can see, right? So this is how you can do that part. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.